Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something straightforward yet essential: how to deposit a money order in 2025. If you've ever received one for payments, gifts, or refunds, you know it can feel a bit old school, but with modern banking updates, it's easier than ever. Let's dive right in so you can handle this like a pro. First off, what's a money order? It's basically a secure way to send money, like a certified check, issued by places like the post office, banks, or retail stores. In 2025, many banks have streamlined the process with apps and ATMs, making it faster and more convenient. Step 1. Gather what you need. You'll require the money order itself, a valid ID, and possibly your bank account details. Don't forget to endorse the back of the money order by signing it. Think of it like signing a check to make it official. Now, let's cover the main methods. Option 1. Head to your bank in person. Present the money order to a teller, show your ID, and they'll deposit it into your account. This is great if you're unsure about anything and want some guidance. Option 2. Use an ATM. Many banks now allow you to deposit money orders at compatible ATMs. Just insert your card, follow the prompts, and scan or insert the money order. Remember, not all ATMs support this, so check with your bank first. For the tech-savvy folks, option 3 is mobile deposit. In 2025, most banking apps have enhanced features for this. Open your app, take clear photos of the front and back of the money order, endorse it digitally, and submit. Funds might take 1 to 3 business days to clear, depending on your bank. A few quick tips to avoid hiccups. Always verify the money order isn't expired. Most last about a year. Double-check for any damages, as that could delay processing. And if it's a large amount, be prepared for additional verification. Security is key, so never share details online. There you have it. Depositing a money order in 2025 is simple with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.